How to get iOS Snapchat for Android. So if you want to install or get the iOS Snapchat for your Android device, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply uninstall the Snapchat application that you have on your device. So simply press and hold on to your Snapchat application, go with the delete option, and you just need to simply go and uninstall the application which you have right now. And once you've uninstalled, now you need to open up downloads and you can install the Snapchat that I have mentioned in the description. You just need to simply go with the link and you need to install the new Snapchat. And once you tap on the link which is in the description, you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply go and install, tap on download, and you just need to simply go and install the application. So once you've installed the application, like you need to access the photos or taking pictures, camera and everything, you just need to simply do that. And you need to go with emojis. So you can use iOS emojis in this. You can simply take a snap and then add some emojis to it, like text or something, and then you can send it to your friends and you will have the iOS emojis. And to enable the dark mode option, on the upper right you will have the shield icon. You can simply hit the shield icon, and once you hit, then you will get the light mode or night mode, dark mode. Like that you will have features just like iPhone. You can use the dark mode. So in this way you'll be able to have the iOS Snapchat for your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.